Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best metal 3D printers designed for precision, strength, and serious performance in industrial, prototyping, and even small-scale manufacturing applications. Whether you're an engineer, product designer, or advanced hobbyist, metal 3D printing opens up new levels of durability and design freedom that traditional plastic printers just can't match. In this video, we'll be highlighting the top 5 metal 3D printers based on print quality, supported materials, build volume, ease of use, and overall value. You'll find links to all the featured printers conveniently placed in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's get into it and find the perfect metal 3D printer for your next big project. Number 5. Trumpf TruPrint 1000. The Trumpf TruPrint 1000 is a cutting-edge metal 3D printer designed for premium quality and high productivity. With its full-field multi-laser technology and redesigned gas flow, it excels in the laser metal fusion process, making it ideal for applications in the dental market, R&D, and small series production. The compact design allows it to fit through standard doors and find its place in various settings, such as laboratories and universities. Equipped with features like multi-laser capabilities, automatic substrate plate change, and motorized optics for beam diameter adjustment, it offers flexibility and efficiency in additive manufacturing. The TruPrint 1000 boasts innovative solutions like inert powder handling with a glove box and interchangeable cylinders, preform options for individualized production, and power bed monitoring for quality control. Its user-friendly interface includes a setup wizard for easy operation, while the TruTop's print software ensures optimal data preparation with minimal supporting structures. The machine's technical specifications include an effective build volume, processable materials, laser power, and beam diameter options, making it a comprehensive solution for additive manufacturing with metal powders. In summary, the Trumpf TruPrint 1000 stands out for its advanced features, compact design, and robust performance, making it a versatile and efficient choice for industries requiring high-quality metal 3D printing. Number 4. Velo3D Sapphire. The Velo3D Sapphire metal 3D printer offers a comprehensive solution for engineers seeking metal additive manufacturing without compromising on design or quality. It goes beyond being just a printer, evolving into a highly integrated production system driven by the intelligent fusion manufacturing process. The Sapphire family's capabilities include printing complex geometries, low-angle prints down to 0 degrees, and high aspect ratio structures, addressing challenges traditional manufacturing and conventional AM printers struggle with. With two 1-kilowatt lasers and a proprietary non-contact recoder, the Sapphire ensures thinner walls, more accurate builds, and consistent geometric accuracy. Designed for production, the Sapphire printer features a standard build cylindrical chamber with dual 1-kilowatt lasers, providing faster printing and reduced collision risks. In-situ metrology sensors offer visibility into the quality of every layer, and continuous powder handling ensures efficiency. The 1MZ variant extends the build volume to 1,000 millimeters in height, maintaining the same capabilities as the standard model. The system's environmental control, laser optics fidelity, and material qualification for various metals make it a standout choice in metal 3D printing, offering unparalleled freedom for designers. Velo3D distinguishes itself by overcoming traditional constraints with the ability to print low angles, overhangs down to 0 degrees, and large diameter circular holes without supports. This not only reduces post-processing needs, but also challenges the conventional 45-degree rule for additive manufacturing. The Velo3D Sapphire opens new possibilities for designers, unlocking a plethora of designs previously deemed impossible with additive technology. Number 3. HP MetalJet 3D Printer. The HP MetalJet Metal 3D Printer represents a groundbreaking leap in metal additive manufacturing, extending the innovation of HP's multi-jet fusion technology to propel businesses forward with advanced metals 3D printing for mass production. Featuring 6 print heads arranged across 2 print bars, it provides up to 4 times nozzle redundancy, ensuring precision and efficiency. The printing process involves spreading a layer of metal powder, with HP MetalJet binding agent jetted at precise locations to define part geometry. After printing and depowdering, the high-strength green part undergoes sintering, eliminating the time-consuming debinding process and freeing up to 20 hours in the workflow. Inside the printer, the powder management station enhances operational efficiency by automatically mixing, sieving, and loading powder for the next job. HP MetalJet breaks through productivity, quality, and cost constraints, producing more isotropic grain structure for uniform material properties compared to existing technologies. This technology opens avenues for accelerating innovative designs and efficiently producing high-quality 3D metal parts at scale, reinventing opportunities opportunities for businesses seeking unlimited capabilities in metal additive manufacturing. Number 2, Desktop Metal Production System. The Desktop Metal Production System Metal 3D printer is a cutting-edge solution designed to bridge the gap between benchtop development and mass production, offering exceptional part quality and enhanced process flexibility. The P1 model, with its state-of-the-art print bar featuring native 1200 DPI, inert processing environment, and single-pass jetting technology, supports non-reactive and reactive materials, delivering speeds over 10 times those of traditional technologies. For high-volume production, the P50 boasts unprecedented speed, using bidirectional printing and single-pass jetting, achieving speeds up to 100 times faster than laser powder bed fusion technologies. The production system excels in various aspects, ensuring excellent part quality with high-resolution 3D printing and a uniform print bed, allowing for dense, high-quality parts suitable for demanding applications. It provides competitive cost-per-part advantages through low-cost metal injection molding, powders, high-speed printing, and efficient nesting of multiple parts in a single build. The system's robust repeatability, reliability, and real-time inspection contribute to its best-in-class performance. With a wide material compatibility range, inert environment, and open material platform, the production system supports a variety of metals, offering unlimited possibilities for innovative designs and high-quality production. Number 1, Markforged Metal X. The Markforged Metal X Metal 3D printer offers an accessible and end-to-end solution for creating functional metal parts swiftly. This intuitive system is designed for simplicity, enabling users to print a range of materials, including stainless steels and copper, with minimal training. The Metal X is cost-effective, significantly less expensive than traditional metal 3D printing systems, and requires no dedicated operator, powder management system, or extensive personal protective equipment. It ensures consistent part quality through a purpose-built design, advanced motion system, and top-notch software, allowing users to go from design to fully functional metal parts in as little as 28 hours. The Metal X system comprises a Metal X printer, Wash 1 solvent-based debinding system, and Sinter 2 or Sinter 1 highly optimized tube furnaces for sintering. The Metal X printer employs metal FFF printing technology, eliminating safety risks associated with traditional metal 3D printers. The Wash 1 and Sinter 2 Sinter 1 ensure efficient debinding and sintering processes, providing safe and reliable fabrication of metal parts. With a wide range of compatible materials, including 17-4 pH stainless steel, copper, H13 tool steel, Inconel 625, and more, users have the flexibility to choose materials based on their specific application needs. The Metal X system is a game changer in metal 3D printing, combining safety, affordability, and quality in an accessible package. So that's it for the best metal 3D printers of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.